In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your password on your Roblox account on the mobile app. So if you are wanting to change or edit your password on your Roblox account, the first thing you will need to do is head over to Roblox, and my Roblox is located in my game launcher, so I will head over to game launcher and then I will open up Roblox. Once I have opened up Roblox, you will obviously be on your homepage here. And from here, what you can do is go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, it will bring up all of these options here, and you need to scroll down until you find the settings tab. Once you click on the settings tab, you will now need to select the account info one. Once you select the account info one, what you can do is see an option now for password, and if you click on the pencil icon right next to password, what that will do is it will bring up this box here, and now you need to enter in your current account password in order to change your password to the new one. Once you have entered in this information, as you can see, all the boxes are now filled, and once you are happy, you can click on the update button. Once you click on update, as you can see, you have successfully changed your password on your Roblox account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.